Top Forex brokers for Canadians. Let's delve into some reputable Forex brokers that consistently rank high among Canadian traders. These brokers have been carefully selected based on their reliability, user feedback, and the quality of services they offer. These brokers have a proven track record, offer competitive trading conditions, and provide a secure and user-friendly trading environment. They are known for their transparency and commitment to customer satisfaction. Interactive Brokers, known for its advanced trading platform, low commissions, and access to a wide range of global markets. Interactive Brokers is a popular choice for experienced traders. It offers a plethora of tools and resources to help traders make informed decisions. However, its platform can be overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity and the steep learning curve involved. CMC Markets. CMC Markets is a well-regulated broker offering a comprehensive trading platform with advanced charting tools and a wide selection of educational resources, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Their customer service is also highly rated. FXCM is another popular choice for Canadian traders, offering competitive spreads, a user-friendly platform, and a strong focus on customer support. They provide various account types to cater to different trading needs. These are just a few examples, and the best broker for you will depend on your individual trading style, experience level, and specific needs. Always do thorough research and consider trying demo accounts before making a final decision.